Hi everybody, Micah here from Solar States. I'm standing at 171 West Berks Street, the latest development from Michael Scanapico. Michael identified early on in this project that he wanted to have solar as an amenity for the tenants. So we worked with Michael to design a solar pergola as well as traditional rooftop solar to meet the needs of the building. This was a really unique project in that we collaborated very early on with Michael and his team. That made it that much easier for us to get the right amount of solar installed in the right locations. You'll notice this solar provides shade for this beautiful dog run where tenants can hang out underneath the solar or come out onto the deck and hang out with a beautiful view of the city of Philadelphia. It makes for a great amenity for the tenants, and it also attracts people who want to have green power as part of their living situation. So thanks again to Michael and his team for a wonderful project. We're excited to see more buildings in the city of Philadelphia go solar. Talk to you soon.